What's up, guys? We're at the range today shooting the Anderson manufacturing AM-15. Like I told you, I fixed the bolt, shooting at 25 yards, trying to see if we can hit the target, see if we have any issues. Here we go. There's one. Let's see where we hit it at. Oh, we hit the black. Let's go. We got Juan over here shooting his 9 build. Uh-oh.
Beat it.
Yo, do you think it's the bolt carrier like my shit?
I don't know, bro.
How can we test that out? Oh, no, wait. It did load one in.
No, it didn't. It gets stuck.
Uh-oh. He's having issues with his build. Kind of like we were having issues with mine. But it's got a very expensive build. Oh, we got the black again up top. Let's go. We're getting somewhere. And that's it. That was 30 rounds. And no jams. Back, as you can see. I told you we fixed it. Alright, guys. So here we have a Prodigy. I know nothing about him. Oh, it's a Springfield Armory. My boy Juan likes him. 2011 Prodigy. Chamber to 9. Let's see. We just rented this bad boy.
Jam.
Yeah. It failed to feed.
Failed to eject.
No, I didn't feed. You see how they're coming out? It's like
It's weird.
it's not like
Yeah, it's weird.
yeah. And it's going forward. You saw all that, right? You saw how many of them went forward? But it's not terrible. I mean,
There's no casing.
yeah, I told you.
They're all going that way.
Yeah, they're literally. All right, I don't know what you're shooting next, but so back again with the Prodigy Springfield. You see that thing? It's like bloop, bloop. Very inconsistent, very jammy. We know like you. I don't like you. He supposedly. But when he sees this video later on, he's gonna be like, fuck that.
Yo.
Very jammy. Drop the mat, yeah. You know what to do. You know what to do. No way. Oh. And, oh, almost jammed. There it goes. Jamboni pepperoni.
Every fucking round.
That's crazy. That's it. Juanito's with this thing. See how long we get out the year. A lot of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's a marksman with his pistol. He's a marksman with the pistol, boy. Yep, straight through the same hole. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's nice, bro. All right, guys, special treat. We have an HK VP9 Tactical, to be exact, suppressed, because you already know, fresh target. We're gonna go back to 10 yards. We went a little past 10 yards. Right there. Here's this bad boy. And let's see what it does. How accurate is this, Juanito?
Pretty good.
Oh, shit. Am I shooting at? Oh, that's it. Okay. That's very nice.
See where all your shit's landed?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. That's a very nice grouping for this gun. I should have aimed a little higher. I was like trying to aim right at it. That thing is
Not bad though.
thing is beautiful, bro.
Love it. I love that damn gun.
Let me put this in my bag, please. No. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. Suppressed. Woohoo! All right, so here we have another HK VP9 SK, brand new out the box. Let's see what this bad boy is all about. Target at 10 yards. Ooh, it's got a little bit of a bite. Yeah, I like the way the mag drops on this one. Boop. It's badass. All right, let's see what we did here. Let's see what damage. That was definitely me, because all that was one. I already know.